If you are a woman who is suffering with loss of bladder control, which is so embarrassing, whether you're young or old, it doesn't matter, or you have menopausal dryness and atrophy in the vaginal wall, then your answer is the FemiLift Rejuvenation. This is a laser that works by building collagen and helping it regrow and even helping your bladder to take control. It has no downtime and there's no pain involved. It involves this laser, and this is a disposable unit that is used which delivers the laser internally, and I'll be the one doing the procedure. Usually we recommend at least 2 to 3 treatments, but even one treatment can help you see results. This also has a CO2 laser for facial rejuvenation, and we do that in usually the fall and the winter, not in the spring and the summer months when you're going to be out in the sun. So if you're interested, call us and let us know so we can schedule your free appointment for a consultation.